Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware, connectors seated and monitor powered. Open Start, go to Settings, then System and Display to begin. You should note the current resolution and scaling so you can revert if needed. Once done, use the Display Resolution drop-down to pick the recommended value. If recommended is missing, toggle Advanced Display Settings to see supported modes. Make sure to close background apps that might lock resolution changes, then proceed to the next adjustments. You now change resolution to the monitor's native setting. This gives sharpest display. If text or icons look too small, change scaling. Try 100%, 125%, 150%, and apply each setting to judge clarity. Once done, verify orientation is correct. Landscape is typical, portrait when rotated. Use advanced scaling settings for custom percentages only if needed. Make sure to click Keep Changes when the preview looks right, because you finish by updating graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Reinstall if updates fail. Once done, use your GPU control panel to set custom resolutions or scaling that often fixes edge case stretch or black bars. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to rule out utilities or malware. One key tip: if the screen is blurry after scaling, try sign out or restart. The OS sometimes needs a session reset to apply DPI changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.